Everybody, welcome back to my channel, Mika's Corner. I thought I would jot down a little bit of a review of getting started with my films. I'm still learning, but I'm having a lot of fun doing it, and that really matters a lot. You have to enjoy it. And like other people have said in their videos, I'm sure you've watched, when you're first getting started, it's a little bit hard. But with everybody's help and their videos that I watch, I learn more and more every day. I am an elderly lady. I am a widow. I have been a widow since 2002. I have children, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren. And I thought it would be kind of nice to make videos to talk about family relations, your children, different things that people like to do or want to talk about. Anybody can make comments on my channel, and I will do my best to answer them. I enjoy walking my dog. I love my little dog. He's my little baby. And you've seen him in my other video that I made before, walking Gizmo. That's his name. He's 3 years old. He's quite the character. He really is. And he's so lovable and so cuddly. I just don't know what I would do without him. He is my companionship, as well as my daughter and the family that I visit with and talk with. I talk with my mom almost every single day. My dad has passed away in 2011. I come from a big family. There's 7 girls and 1 boy. Yeah, big family. And we've had a lot of good times. I think back, now that I'm older, I think back when we were kids, all the things that we did for fun. We enjoyed playing with our friends, hide and go seek, and hanging out at the pizza parlor place. When we were a little bit older, like in junior high school, we'd go and hang out at the pizza parlors. We did a lot of things together, going to the movies, and things are so much different now. It's so different. And it got a lot different as my kids were growing older, and the way things are today. I miss the days when I was growing up. Anyway, I want to talk about different things in life that we all think about or go through after a certain amount of time with growing older. I never did stop to think about being a widow in 2002, and I have been single ever since. I have enjoyed being alone. It was hard at first, really hard, and sometimes it still creeps in on me, being lonely, but you have to find new hobbies, you have to find new things to do, you have to get engaged in different hobbies and things that you enjoy doing. You don't have to cook big meals anymore. You can eat when you want to. Call or text somebody and visit. You can play your games, like I play my games on my phone. I do. I'm guilty of that. I watch a lot of YouTube channels. I watch them all. I love watching YouTube. It is my favorite channel. There's a few shows that I like on other channels, but I have found that living alone and learning to do things myself has made me a lot stronger. I have a better outlook on things because I'm not worried about what somebody else thinks or says or what I have to do for them. Not that I didn't enjoy it when I was married, because I did. But being married or being with a partner, it just hasn't really didn't work out for me. I've enjoyed being by myself. I like to play pool. I'm not a professional. I just play at playing. I read books. I like self-help books. I believe in God. I am a spiritual person. I know that without Him, I would not. I really don't think that I would have made it this far. Now, I have been through a lot, but God has given me the strength to carry on through the struggles and come out on the better side of things. And I'm very happy for that. I'm grateful for that. And I have to remember, I have to tell myself even, let's don't think of the past, any bad times or hard times. Think of your life, your future, what you've learned in your past life as a good thing and things to be grateful for. I remember my grandparents. They did help raise me and a couple of my siblings. They were wonderful, wonderful people. And my grandmother, she could do anything. She could cook, she could sew, she made dolls, bed dolls, lamps, she crocheted. She just did everything, grandmas are supposed to do. I don't fit into all those categories. I'm a grandma, I do the best I can, but I am not a baker. I can cook, and I like doing things and going to barbecues and stuff like that with my grandkids and my great-grandkids. So my videos are kind of more or less going to be about living alone and doing your own thing, giving opinions on how I feel or what I think about things. If anybody wants to make a comment, please do, and I will answer back. I want everybody to get along. I want there to be peace in the world. I don't like to argue. I don't like a bunch of, what's the word, I can't think of it, drama and stuff like that going on. Life is too short. We need to learn to not hold grudges, be patient with each other, and if you know you're having a bad day or you just don't feel good, try to exclude yourself from being around anybody so that you don't ruin it for someone else. We are in control of our own minds, and we know what we're doing when we do it, and then we're usually sorry for saying or doing something that we know we shouldn't have. Anyway, I think that this will be all for this video. I'm still learning. I'm wanting to grow my channel more. I want to put stuff on a couple times a week, maybe. I don't know, whatever I feel like doing. I'll get better at it. It takes time. I enjoy everybody that watches me or has any comments. I love responses to the video or any comments, and I would ask if you are interested in my videos that you please like and subscribe. That means a lot to me, and it just makes me more excited about going on with more videos and talking about different things. How do you feel living alone? How do you get by, and what do you do every day? What kind of hobbies do you have or do you like to do? Just give me some ideas if you want to. What you do with your life, as it is yours, and it belongs to you. Your life is you. My videos are going to be around everybody, but it's really, my video is about me. This is my video, this is my life. And everybody always has different paths, and they have different ways of uh, discussing what's going on with their life or how they deal with it. So it's some things are not fun, but sometimes it helps to just talk things out or talk with somebody. It makes you feel better. It really does. And always pray to God or your higher up and be grateful. Be grateful you woke up today. Be grateful you have a loving family. You have pets. I love my dog, like I said. He's my little buddy. So for now, I think I will close. This is my first long video, and I hope soon that I will be able to make more and hopefully get some responses from people so I can comment back and we can discuss more and carry on from there. As I said, this is Mika's channel, Mika's Corner, and this is my corner, but I am willing to share it with all of you. I want to. Join me, please, and thank you for watching my videos. Have a wonderful day, evening, just enjoy you. Bye-bye.